So if you're also having problems that your Gamesir Tarantula Pro controller is not connecting wirelessly, well then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So basically what I had to do, firstly I had to actually get an app called Gamesir Connect here, as you can see. So if I click and just open it up now, you can by the way just go into Google and search for Gamesir Connect and then go into the official Gamesir website to be able to of course get that specific app. And you can see now on the app, you can also have Tarantula Pro here. So now we need to connect our Tarantula Pro to our PC, but either via dongle or via cable. I know this is not the ideal way that you want to connect it, because you want to obviously fix the wireless thing, but just trust me, we need to do it just right now. I'm going to use my cable that I got, but you can also use the dongle basically. And yeah, you can see now when it's connected and the other end obviously goes to my PC here. And then quite often it's gonna automatically connect now to the app. If it doesn't, just click and hold on on this button here and you can see Tarantula Pro. So what I had to do in here is to click on this button where it says reset to default. So you can see buttons, sticks, triggers, vibrations, light and other configurations will all return to default. So I had to click on confirm right here. I'm not gonna click now because I've already done this. So it doesn't make any sense for me to do it again because it was fixed. So now after I did this, I clicked on confirm. Then I'm just gonna exit the app here. Then I'm just gonna remove the cable real quick. So now it depends, how do you actually want to connect wirelessly? If you want to connect to your Switch, you need to hold this button and this button together. I believe if you want to be able to connect to your mobile, it's this and this. And yeah, to the PC, it's also this and this, by the way. I'm just gonna do so right now. Just gonna hold these two buttons here until you can see these two blinking. Now I'm gonna actually click on this button right here to be able to enter pairing mode. Now when it's in pairing mode, I'm gonna click on settings, Bluetooth and devices, click on add device and then Bluetooth and show all devices. You can see Gamesir Tarantula Pro right here, as you can see. So just click here, your device is ready to go. So now it actually connects here without any problems whatsoever. So Gamesir Tarantula Pro is connected. And that is basically exactly how I was able to connect this controller here wirelessly again.